Paano mag-open ng additional account for copy trading? So let's say nakapag-copy trade ka na and gusto mong mag-add ng another portfolio for copy trading. So first, ilagin mo yung account mo. So this is via web. And then makikita mo tong account sa baba. And here sa taas makikita mo open account. So here, pili ka ng trading platform for copy trading. So, piliin mo dito ay itong Popular-Copy Trading. So yung account type, it will matter kung ano yung provider or strategy na ikakopy mo. So, meron tayong standard copy trading and meron tayong sense copy trading. So, kung ang gusto mong i-copy trade ay yung mga standard copy trading like FCAT Premium and Resilience Pro, make sure na standard STP yung i-open mo. Now, kung gusto mong mag-copy trade ng FCAT Plus, Pro, Smart Algo, Golden Algo, Expert Algo, and Alpha Pro, make sure na send standard STP naman yung i-open mo. So, ganun lang. And then, syempre, select mo yung account currency. Kung naka-send standard ka, USD yung currency. Pag naka-standard ka naman, USD. So, once na okay na to, just click submit and there you go. Magkakaroon ka ng additional account for copy trading, which is yun yung lalagyan mo ng fund para makapag-copy trade ka sa another portfolio for diversification.